Okay, I got a different video here a little bit for you. I burn coal in my house to heat my house and heat my water. So we're at my coal furnace. It's a Leisure Line WL110. And it's time to take and clean the clean out in it. So I just thought maybe, somebody might, have a new coal furnace or something like that, and might be interested in knowing how I do that. So I thought I would just show a quick video. Basically what you need is a simple shop vac. This is what I use. It does block up easy with the filter, but all in all, it does do the job, as you're about to see. It's pretty simple and basic. I'll show some other areas of the furnace here in a minute. You want to make sure it is off. Now in this case here, this thing also burns oil. So what I do is I flip it to the oil side. That way I can keep my fire going, let that burn down after the timer run or whatever. And I actually set my thermostat up a little bit, bring the temperature down in the boiler so it doesn't beat up the shop vac too much. So here we go. Okay, so when you're doing this here in this situation like I do, this is basically just a quick cleanup. Every so often I do a thorough cleaning where I shut the whole thing down, and I'll show that in a future video. The other thing that I like to do is down here where the fan motor is, I like to keep that all clean. As you can see, there's a little bit of ashes there, so we'll take and sweep that up. And as you can hear the change in the furnace, or the sweeper, you can tell it does block up the filter pretty quick. The other thing I like to do as well is, since my chimney does not have a clean out, it's just how it's designed, some are that way. Take this screw out of here and we take our cover off, and actually that's not too bad. We'll let that go for next time. But yeah, just a simple video. I thought I'd show how do a simple clean on a coal furnace. Here you can see after we swept it up, there was a pretty good amount of ash in there. That's why I opted when I ordered this furnace to have it that I could do the simple clean out. And doing this for a few minutes and letting this open for a little bit doesn't hurt anything at all. So this took care of majority of it. I'll probably do a shutdown in 2 weeks, and then maybe another month we'll probably shut it down because it gets really hot in the basement. So let's might have to replace that too. Let's take and Flip her back to coal. She fired back up. The settings are set. And there you can see the fire starting to build back up in there. Emptied the pan already this morning, so we are all set. I also opted for a draft fan. Fire that back up, and we are good. And then you can see the draft will kick back up here as everything warms back up again. So this is GMEC. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video from GMEC. So any kind of DIY video I'm trying to do. So thank you for all the viewers on my channel. I appreciate it very much, but hit that subscribe button. I get a lot of views, but you're not subscribing. But I'd appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching. And remember, keep on wrenching. We'll see you on the next video.